Step 1. Start by removing the headrest from the driver's seat. You may need to tilt the seat forward to do this. Step 2. Place the cover over the seat backrest with the front side facing forward and pull it downwards like putting on a t-shirt. Step 3. If your seat has an armrest, locate the Velcro strips on the side of the cover. Attach the Velcro securely under the armrest, ensuring a snug fit. Step 4. At the top of the cover, locate the holes for the headrest. Tuck the headrest's plastic housing through these holes to keep them properly aligned. Step 5. Push the foam pocket at the bottom of the cover into the gap between the seat backrest and the seat base. This helps secure the cover in place. Step 6. Place the base cover onto the front of the seat base. Pull the cover towards the back of the seat, ensuring it fits smoothly across the base. Work from the sides, pulling the cover evenly towards the back to ensure a snug and even fit. Step 7. Locate the foam pouches at the back of the base and tuck these into the gap between the backrest and base. Step 8. At the side of the seat, tuck the material between the plastic housing and the seat foam. Step 9. At each side of the seat base, locate the elastic straps with clips. Pull them backwards to create tension, tucking the material neatly into the seat trim where possible. Step 10. Connect the clips together behind and underneath the seat back to secure the cover in place. Step 11. At the front of the seat base, thread the Velcro straps under the seat and fasten them securely. Step 12. At the front center of the seat base, find the elastic strap with a hook. Pull it tight under the seat and attach it to the metal bar beneath, securing the front of the cover. Step 13. On the inside corner of the base skirt, locate the 4 elastic loops. Attach these to the supplied metal hooks, then pull them down and secure them to the underside of the seat. Step 14. Slip the headrest cover over the headrest like a sock. Step 15. Undo the Velcro of the armrest cover. Slide the armrest cover on, similar to how you would a sock, and secure the Velcro back in place. Step 1. Start by removing the headrest from the passenger seat. Step 2. Unzip the cover and pass it behind the seatbelt so the belt sits on the outside. Re-zip the cover, then place the back of the cover over the top of the seat. Step 3. Pull the cover down firmly from both sides, working evenly around the seatbelt housing. Use the sides to guide the cover down smoothly into place. Step 4. Align the cover holes with the headrest housings, the plastic seatbelt trim, and the side metal latch. Tuck each piece through its hole so the cover sits neatly around the fittings. Step 5. On the inside seam of the cover, there are 2 Velcro straps at the bottom. Thread these under the folding seat's metal bar and connect them together. Step 6. At the bottom of the front panel, locate the sewn-in Velcro strip. Reach through, pull it tight, and attach it to the soft material on the back panel. Step 7. The base covers are labeled driver side and passenger side. Step 8. Starting at the back, thread the seat base strap through the hole in the cover. Then slide the rear of the seat base into the cover pocket, making sure the elastic hoops stay under the seat. Step 9. Next, fold the front corners inside out and pull over the cushion corners. Step 10. Connect the hooks provided to the elastic hoops and hook each loop into a gap under the seat, ensuring the elastic is under tension. Step 11. Find the long cover and place this over the middle backrest and fold down seat, starting at the top. Step 12. Thread the Velcro straps through the gap and then fold the seat forward. Step 13. Fold the seat fully down. At the back, remove the Velcro protector material from the cover. Pull the cover tight and attach the Velcro to the soft material of the seat. Step 14. Open the seat's workstation lid and attach the Velcro across the tray in 2 places and at the side around the metal latch. Step 15. Reattach the headrest to the seat and fit the headrest covers over the headrests like a sock. The seam is at the front,